At the conclusion of episode 9, we wrapped up work on the floors, and Pops had mentioned that his attention was now going to be moved over to the front of the car.
Now our next job is in the front. I'll take you over and show it to you. Down below that chrome strip, there's rot. And on behind here is rotted.
Which it is, but unfortunately sometimes life throws you a curveball and you get busy and you forget to turn the camera on, and you don't realize it until you basically completed the job. So this is going to be a quickie episode, and because that's pretty much the situation that happened here. But here's the old man, and he's going to explain to you what happened and what he did. So enjoy.
Alright, in the last video I said I was going to be all done with the floors and going to start on the fender. Well, I made a mistake and didn't video any of it. But, so I'm going to let you see what I've done anyways. Cut this out. As you can see, had all these rust spots. This is where the emblem goes. It was all rotted. Backside's all rusted. So I cut this out. The new panel had this, so I left it on the new panel. Just trimmed it to fit. I fit it in, that's welding it in place. I got this part done. I had to do the door post, had a big rod hole in the bottom of it, so I got that all in. So that's done anyways, so it's just about done. I got to finish welding and do some grinding. So I thought I'd let you take a look at what it was anyways. And it'll probably be all you're going to see from this one. When I get to the front balance,
hope you're ready for the next episode.
We're going to do start to finish on that. That's going to be a long, drawn-out process. So we'll get to that. Thanks for watching, and if you like our videos, don't forget to push that like button and subscribe. And there's the finished panel, or product, whichever you prefer to call it. All welded in, sanded down. All it needs now is a little body filler and a little plastic filler and be done.